next method is parallax method. In parallax method, first you should know what is parallax. So parallax is the apparent shift in the position of an object with respect to any other object when we shift our eyes sidewise. That means it is the apparent shift in the position of an object due to the change in the position of the observer. Okay, and the distance between the 2 points of observation, that is the distance between the two different positions of the observer, is called basis, and the angle made by the basis with the object is called parallax angle or parallactic angle. Here these are the 2 points of observation A and B, and the distance between these 2 points is called basis, which is represented by B, and this is the object, and the angle made by this basis with this object is called parallactic angle, which is represented by theta here, and this D is the distance of that object with the point of observation. Okay, and we know that angle is equal to arc upon radius, so theta is equal to arc upon radius. We'll put the value of arc and radius. So here arc is B and radius is D, so theta is equal to B upon D. So from here D is equal to B upon theta. So by this we can calculate the distance of the object from point of observation when we calculate the parallactic angle. Okay, so by measuring the parallactic angle we can find the distance. So this method is used. First we'll take an example of this method in which the distance of the moon or any planet is to be measured. So to measure the distance s of a moon or a far away planet, we observe it from two different positions A and B on the earth, and these two different positions A and B should be at a very large distance from each other. Okay, and for doing that, for calculating this distance, we will select a distant star S dash whose position and direction from A and B can be taken approximately same. So here I will show you in the diagram. Now this is the planet P, which we and the distance of this planet P, we have to measure this distance, and here A and B are the 2 points of observation on the earth, and for doing that we have taken this star, any far star S dash, and first we will measure the parallactic angle at A and B at the same time, and the angles are phi 1 and phi 2, and by calculating phi 1 and phi 2, or by measuring phi 1 and phi 2, we can calculate this parallactic angle, which is given by theta, and theta is equal to phi 1 plus phi 2. So if B is very less than S, this distance B is less than this S, then in that case the length of this arc can be taken to be equal to B, the distance between these 2 points. So again we will use the formula of angle, that is angle theta is equal to arc upon radius. Arc B upon radius is S, so from here S is equal to B upon theta. So by measuring the parallactic angle theta, we can calculate the distance of the planet from the earth.